morning, guys. This is Ms. Bates. Today I'm going to show you how to create a PowerPoint slide for your Introduction to You slideshow that we're going to be looking at this week. So the way you would get to PowerPoint, which is part of the Office suite or Office programs, is you'll come down to the Start button on your home screen, okay, and then you'll come to Student menu and scroll all the way down to Microsoft Office 2010. There's also a 2003 version. You want the 2010. Then you'll come up to PowerPoint and it'll bring you to this screen. Okay. I've actually chosen a different layout. So you can come up here to the Layout button, click down, and you can see all the different kinds of layouts you'll want. I chose the Content with Caption because it gives me the opportunity to put in a picture as well as some information, and that's what you want to do to help us get to know you. So I clicked on this and it brought me here. Okay, and this is the way it's going to look. As I click on, I'm going to come up here to the title and I want to put in my name. Okay, so that's my name. I typed it in. I've already changed my size of my font by coming up here. And I can actually make it larger or smaller. Okay, I can also come up here till it makes the little crossbars and it'd move around where I want it to go. I think it's pretty good there. I could highlight it and change the font, maybe do it as Berlin. How about that one? Okay, so it makes it a little bigger. Then I can come down here and click in this box, and this is where I'm going to put information about me. So remember, we talked about setting goals, creating some slogans to kind of inspire us. So here I'm going to actually type in the word goal. And I want, so my goal is to be a super teacher. Okay, now notice that's pretty small. We're going to change the size of that font in just a second. But I can hit enter, and it's going to take me down and give me another bullet. But I'm going to hit enter again so that it gives me a little extra space in between those. Okay, so notice here's our bullet. I'm then going to give you my slogan. Okay, my slogan is up, and an A. Kind of thinking about a little Superman stuff there. It's a terrible joke. You don't have to laugh. Okay, and our next bullet, so I hit enter again here, and now it's brought me down to here. Okay, and now I'm going to tell how I'm going to become a super teacher. I can become a super teacher by working hard every day. Okay. So again, I put a goal, a slogan, and then kind of a promise. All right, I'll label that as a promise. You can put in some other stuff. Remember, this is helping us to get to know you. So you can use the ideas we've talked about in small group the past week, or if you just want to give us a list of some important information about you, that's fine, but that goes in here. As we saw before, this is pretty small. So I'm probably going to want to make this bigger. Okay, and so as I scroll down to the different sizes, okay, so notice 28, it goes off the page, 24, it stays on. I like that. Okay, I might want to change my font. Let's do the same font we did before, that Berlin. I like that. Okay, so now I have my information, got rid of that extra bullet. Now I have my information in the slide, and then I can come over to here, to this section of the slide, and I can insert any of these things. Here you have a table, a chart, a movie clip. Big things you're probably going to want to enter is a picture, okay, or clip art. Clip art is where already made pictures for you. So we could do that by coming up here. There's probably there's insert bar up here, and then you can click on insert clip art, and you can pick out a picture that represents you. You could also come here and click on the insert picture, download. You could actually go into your Facebook page. I will allow you to do this. Go into your Facebook page and take and save a school appropriate photo, and you all know what school appropriate means, to the desktop of the computer. Just save it to the desktop, and then you could upload that picture into your PowerPoint, and it'll show up right here, so we can kind of get to know you better by seeing a picture of you. Okay, so go back and rewatch this video when at any point if you need to go back and see how to do this. If you have any questions, see me or Ms. Werner or Ms. I. All right, thanks guys.